This is the elevator at the Shadyside Surgi-Center in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with PA elevators.
Okay.
This is a 1992 Dover Oildraulic with impulse fixtures. Unlike across the street where they had their impulses modernized, but those are traction. Anyways, let's come on and we'll put the 2. Your 2. No phone, but there is an elevator key in there. No, that's not ours, don't worry. Basic 90s cab. PA elevators, he's messing with the key in there. He's gonna
Light
turn
off.
the light. You're back at 1. There's a desk up there, just
I'm not going up.
close enough, that's gonna be it.